tearing into the buggy here after Hillbilly Trails. Had the wheel bearing go out, and it messed up a lot of stuff trying to get it out. So we're going to tear into her and see what everything looks like. So we're going to get to her here. So as you can see, it's a lot's gone. So I have a feeling it's not going to look pretty once I pull this hub off here. That's good. It's not even a tight axle nut. It pretty much messed up everything here. The brake caliper, it's gone. The rotor is bent. The hub is more than likely gone. The knuckle is gone, and then it tore the inside of this inside axle boot. Yeah, that's gone. Brake pad's missing, so that's gone. Yeah, that's no good. Get a better view of that for you guys. So that hub is shot. Rotor's shot. And here's inside the bearing. Get y'all a better view here. This. So knuckles obliterated, brand new. Literally put it on in December of last year. It's gone. Here's a better view of the brake caliper. Looking really good. I'll set you back up here. Alright, so I got you guys set back up here. We're gonna go ahead and tear this knuckle off. See what it looks like on the inside. 15. Just got done putting this thing back together after we rebuilt the trans. The output shaft got stripped on the drive shaft in there, so we had to replace that. And this was the first ride back out since it was put back together, and we all see how that went. Get this sway bar disconnected here. Shock here. get the nut off here. There we go. Go ahead and get this. The axle boot looks lovely. I mean, it's shredded it to pieces. All right, let's put this back in here. Alright, so there's the axle. Axle boot's gone. I mean, and then inside the hub, hopefully y'all can see that with the lighting. Inside the hub, you got chewed up pretty bad. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be on the inside, to be honest. The outside kind of took most of the beating, it looks like. But I mean, it just absolutely obliterated that. Axle, let's see if we can go ahead and get it up here. There's the axle. Just show you that. The inside seems to be good. I mean, it still pulls, but it's that boot's gone. So might be able to save that and put new axle boot and grease on it. Again, there's the outside case of the bearing. But yeah, that's the damage from Hillbilly Trails. Didn't do nothing crazy, just wheel bearing went out. It's just lack of maintenance pretty much. But we'll have another video here soon of putting it back together with new parts. May put some more suspension goodies on it with long travel in it, turn it into an S instead of a trail. But hope y'all enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out on another video. We're going to start pumping out a bunch of content here and get this channel moving forward. But again, hope y'all enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.